Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generalize Azure Virtual Machine from portal step by step. So let's get started. Before we check the actual step, let's quickly discuss what generalizing a VM means and why it's important. When you generalize VM, you are preparing it to be used as a template image. You can use that image to deploy multiple VMs. And one important thing that once you generalize, the VM can't be used again in its current state. Instead, we can create image from it, and then we can use that image to deploy multiple VMs. So let's go through this step by step. So let me go to the VM. I already created one virtual machine. I'm planning to generalize this virtual machine first. To perform the generalize, we'll log in the server. Let me take IP. So once you log in the server, then we can start performing the first. Okay, so we are on VM right now. So to perform the generalize, first we will go to the Sysprep tool. So to go to the Sysprep tool, you just need to open the C drive. Click on this PC, open C drive, Windows, System 32. Under System 32, you will get a folder called Sysprep. This one. So you need to open the Sysprep tool first. So let me click on Sysprep tool. Okay. So once you click on Sysprep tool, you will get an option. We need this option to generalize the image. After this, you need to, we need to make sure to check the option generalize. So we'll select this one, and for the this shutdown option, we can select shutdown. Now what will happen? VM will shut down automatically once the sysprep is complete. So I'm going to click on OK. Yeah. Now process is started. So once process is done, VM will get shut down, and then we'll start the next step. Whenever you want to prepare any VM image, make sure to shut down any application that might be running on the VM. So this will prevent data corruption and ensure a clean state. Second, if we have any application which that are dependent on any unique system identities, that also you need to reconfigure them. So here VM is already shut down. So let me click on OK. Yeah, just let me click on virtual machine again. Let's quickly check the state of VM. We need to wait few minutes more, and then we'll see how it goes. So in what cases we usually create an image? Let's say you have a application VM. You already updated that application VM with all the latest directory and deployment. So what you can do, you can create that application VM as an image, and whenever you want to deploy any additional application server or application VM, then you can deploy the VM from that image itself. So we already generalized this VM from the OS level. Now we need to perform image creation from the portal. To create a new image, you need to click on capture. Under capture, you will get option called image. Then click on image. Once you click on image, here you need to define few things. So share image to Azure Compute Gallery. Yes, share it gallery as a VM image version. So you can use this image as a version while deploying VMs. Now you can select that automatically delete this virtual machine after creating the image. So click on this. because as the original VM will no longer usable, so it would be better to delete the VM after creating image. Target Azure Compute Gallery. So you can create a new gallery. Right now I do not have any gallery, so you can, I mean, we can create a new one. So let me create a new one called app VM. Okay, and under the target VM image definition, so here you can image definition. So the parent VM image definition for this version, let's create. You can put the VM image definition name. Let me put app VM. We'll keep all the setting as it is. Publishing, these are the provide additional metadata about the image. If you want to provide, you can put that details, otherwise you can skip that. Now click on OK. You can give here version number, so I'll put version number like 0.0.1. Also you have option to select the end of the live date, so I'll put just 1 day. The lock prevent deleting image version across replicated region. It is on by default. I don't want to replicate, so I'm going to uncheck. This is the replication setting. Since I don't want any kind of replication, so I'll keep this standard HDTLRS. I don't need any replica, so I'll click on next. Review and create. Okay, so validation is passed. Now click on create. So it will create image from this VM and it will delete the VM as well. Then we will try to deploy new VM using that captured image. We will try to deploy new VM using the capture image. So we'll wait minutes more and then we'll start. We successfully stopped the virtual machine. Also successfully generalized the virtual machine as well. Deployment in progress now. So you can see that Azure Compute, under the Azure Compute Gallery, we are going to have one new image called app VM. So we'll validate that one after the deployment done. Yeah, so here we go. We have create image successfully, and now VM deletion is in progress. Yeah, here we go. We successfully deleted virtual machine as well. Now the next step, we are going to deploy new VM using that image. So let me quickly go to the virtual machine. Let's quickly create one new VM. Click on Azure Virtual Machine. Select your resource group or create a new resource group as well. So what I will do, let me create a new resource group, RG app. Here I'll put app VM test 001. So once you give the name, you can select further setting as per your requirement. I don't need a zone, so I'll keep setting accordingly. Here now you just click on the see all images. Once you click on see all images, here you will get other items. Click on your shared image. So once you click on shared image, you will get the option which we have just recently created. This is our image name, okay, and this is our gallery. Just click here. So now your image is selected. Now you have to define the skew and the remaining setting as it is. So Azure, you can put admin. Yep, click on next, select as per your requirement, then click on next. Either you can use existing one, so I'll select the existing one. Okay, I don't need right now public IP, so we'll click on next. We want to see, I mean, whether we can create or not. So click on next, tag, review and create. Yep, click on create. So we'll wait for this deployment get complete. So here I'll give some, I mean, what we have done so far. So in a summary, what steps we have performed to generalize Azure VM. First, we shut down, I mean, you need to shut down whatever applications you are running inside the VM. Next, we run the Sysprep on the VM. Okay, to open a Sysprep, I mean, we have a default path called C Windows System that you run Sysprep. Then you need to run that Sysprep. You have to select that generalize option and then shut down the VM. After that, we go to the portal, select the VM. Okay, we click on capture and then we capture the image and delete the existing VM. After that, we deploy new VM using that image, capture image. So this is what we have done so far. So I'll show you that the gallery. So if you click on Azure Compute Gallery, here you will see that the app VM gallery is already created, and under this, so this is the gallery which we have created, and under this, if you click on definitions, then here you will get the image details. So we have deployed successfully. Go to the resource. We can quickly validate. Yep. So operating system is Windows. Yep. And here you can see that your source image details like Microsoft Windows Server, and then 2016 data center. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe our channel for more technical oriented videos. Thanks for watching.